देव खुश रहो। आई जेवीएन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर प्रोग्राम बीएससी बीएड पीसीएम 5th सेम एंड कोर्स इज मल्टीवेरिएट कैलकुलस एंड वेक्टर डिफरेंशिएशन. Session of today is the vector differentiation operator, that is del operator, or in other word we can say gradient divergence and curl. This is the differentiation operator. In the operator del is represented by del xi plus del yj plus del zk. Delta is called the vector differential operator. In the 3 dimension, I is the unit vector in direction of x, j is the unit vector in direction y, and k is unit vector in direction z. So this is the del operator. Now gradient, we have to find the gradient only of scalar function. So any function phi x y z is scalar function in 3 variable, and phi is the differentiable, and the gradient of phi is defined as gradient of phi, or gradient of phi, it can be expressed in the operator del phi over del xi plus del phi over del yj plus del phi over del zk. This is the gradient of any scalar function phi xyz. Here phi is a scalar function and del phi is a vector function. It is because del operator is a vector operator, and in the 3 direction I, j, k. So when phi is a scalar function and delta phi is the vector function. Here some problem of del operator is given here. Phi is equal to x square y z square plus x y square z square. Determine the gradient of phi at the point P132. So solution of this function, the del operator, del of phi is equal to I del phi over del x plus j del phi over del y plus k del phi over del z. So here we have to calculate del phi over del x, del phi over del y, and del phi over del z with the help of phi. So whenever we calculate del phi over del x, differentiate it with respect to only x, and you get 2xy z square plus y square z square. Again del phi over del y is equal to x square z cube plus 2xyz square. In this expression we have to differentiate with respect to y, and y function is only differentiate. Then differentiate phi with respect to z, and we get 3x square yz square plus 2xy square z. Now we have 3 ingredient, del phi over del x, del phi over del y, and del phi over del z. Therefore putting in the del operator phi, del phi is equal to del phi over del xi plus del phi over del yj plus del phi over del zk, and we have 3 ingredient, del phi over del x, del phi over del y, del phi over del z. So we have to replace this by the value of these functions, and after replacing we get 2xyz cube plus y square z square I plus x square z cube plus 2xyz square j plus 3x square yz square plus 2xy square z bracket closed k. This is the value of gradient of phi. Now we have find the gradient of phi at the point 1, 3, 2. So x is replaced by 1 and y is replaced by 3 and z is replaced by 2. So putting the value P132 in this expression delta phi, we get delta phi is equal to 84i plus 32j plus 72k. This is the gradient of this function. Again, the property of gradient phi, if we have two different a and b, two different scalar function, then gradient of a plus minus b is equal to gradient of a plus minus gradient of b. Similarly, delta of a into b, whenever we have two scalar function a and b in the multiplication a into b, then it can be expressed as a delta b plus b delta a, just like the differentiation operator. So directional derivative of phi in the direction of a. Always directional derivative is find out at the given direction. So here direction is a, then d phi over dx is equal to a cap gradient of phi. This is the formula of directional derivative. Del phi over del ds, d phi over ds is equal to a cap gradient of phi, where a cap is equal to dr upon absolute of dr, which is a unit vector in the direction of dr. So compute the directional derivative of the function phi is equal to x square z plus 2xy square plus yz square at the given point in the direction. Directional derivative is found at the particular point and the given direction. So formula is d phi over ds is equal to a cap gradient of phi. Here gradient of phi is equal to I del phi over del x plus y plus j del phi over del y plus k del phi over del z. So a cap is equal to a upon absolute of a. This is the direction. So a is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k, and mod of a is equal to 2 under root 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. So first of all we have find delta phi at the point 1, 2, minus 1, and delta phi is equal to after calculation we get 6i plus 9j minus 3k, just similar as previous example, and the a is equal to 2i plus 3j minus 4k. So a cap is equal to a upon mod of a. Mod of a is equal to root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, that is 29, and a vector is 2i plus 3j minus 4k, it is divided by root 29. Then putting in this formula d phi over ds, a cap dot gradient of phi. Gradient of phi is a vector and this is also a vector. So vector dot vector, two vector, if we dot product of two vector is a scalar. So after solving this, coefficient of I is multiplying with the coefficient of I, plus coefficient of z is multiplying with coefficient of z, plus coefficient of k is k is multiplying with k, and we get 51 upon root 29. Now divergence of vector. We have to find the divergence of the vector function. Here a is equal to any vector function that can be expressed as axi plus ayj plus azk. The divergence of a is written by the divergence of a. Divergence is a del operator and a is again a vector. So after dot product Here divergence is a dot product of between two vectors. Del operator is a vector and function given also a vector, then dot product of two vector is a scalar. So divergence of any vector is a scalar. So divergence of A is equal to, we have to find divergence of the given function at the point. So divergence of A, the divergence operator is I del del x plus j del del y plus k del del z, and A operator is axi plus ayj plus azk. Dot product in between, we have to find the dot product, and dot product is I is multiplied with I. It is because I dot I is 1 and I dot j, I dot k is 0. So I is multiplied with I by the dot product, and j is multiplied by the j with dot product, and k with k. Then the value of this divergence is equal to 2xy minus xz plus 2yz. At the point of 1, 2, 3, putting the 1, 2, 3 at the, in this expression, we got divergence A is equal to 13. Now curl A is equal to ai plus aj plus axi plus ayj plus azk. Suppose this is the given vector. Whenever we have to find the curl of this, so curl is the cross product of the del operator and the vector given. For curl is find out. So del operator and cross product with the vector given by you, putting these coefficient in the determinant form. First of all, in the first row ijk, second row del x del y del j, and third row coefficient of ijk of the vector. Then express this determinant as a determinant form. After expressing or expanding this determinant, you get the a answer which will be vector. So curl of any vector is a vector. I think you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.